Welcome to Insider's Viewpoints, aspects of the web development lifecycle. In this video, we will listen to several web development professionals discuss the aspects in the lifecycle of web development. So, what are your most and least favorite aspects in the lifecycle of web development, from conception to development and testing, deployment, and maintenance?
Hello everyone, my name is Upkar Litter and I'm a developer advocate with IBM. So I would not call it my least favorite by any means, but as a developer, I'm very keen to start developing, to start writing code. There's a lot of things that happen before you write that first piece of code, and that could be design thinking workshops, getting user requirements, sprint planning, etc. So as a developer, I'm always eager to bypass those things and get into the actual development of the application. My favorite thing about application development is actually deploying the application or an app and handing it to the end user and see how it makes their lives easier, it makes their jobs more effective.
Hello there, my name is Bradley Steinfeld. I'm a software architect, and I work for IBM Cloud and Cognitive Software. So as a software architect, I think my favorite part of the cloud app development lifecycle is probably the conception part, the architecture part, and kind of putting it together, how we're going to build this app, what services are we going to use, what different types of technologies we need to, at the end of the day, deliver what the stakeholder needs and do it in the best way we can, cheapest we can, so on and so forth. My least favorite is probably testing. It's not the most fun to discover bugs and then fix them, but at the end of the day, it's a necessary part. So there you go.
I'm Dennis Harvey. I work at Coursera as a content strategy manager for cloud technology. Conception and development are always exciting to see an idea morph into reality. Testing can be interesting for QA-oriented professionals. Deployment can also be challenging if you incorporate automated deployment, which would be a best practice at this point. And maintenance is possibly nobody's favorite, but it is critical and often underemphasized.